I love how easygoing it is, and I love how easy it's transitioned into my life, being a mum and being able to do everything that I want to do. But yeah, the learning style's been awesome. So being able to have that flexible learning and being able to jump on whenever I want, and yeah, that it's recorded is super amazing for someone with a busy life like me. I was a hairdresser of 22 years, and a mum, and also run a baby business company as well too. So I'm still doing all of them as well as studying as well. How do I study with kids, work and life? I'm very disciplined during the day, so I make sure that I make the time during the day, but I also do have a little 2-year-old running around as well too. So there's a lot of lectures that she's sitting on my lap. Everyone can see it through the screen, but there's no judgment. And honestly, I catch up when I can, and yeah, don't put the pressure on myself. But it's been very easy to follow along. What has been my favorite lecture? Probably because it's fresh, Sarah Valentini, with the complex children. I have loved that. That has opened my world to so much, with especially my kids being in school, and just hearing mums that are going through the road of diagnosis and knowing that there is another alternative that I can help them. And yeah, now that they're watching me on social media, I always get lots of questions. So I think for me, yeah, having the school kids, it's been a really big conversation. So that would be my favorite lecture from Sarah. I'm going to say, what tutor surprised me in the mirror? I'm going to say Peter. I think Peter was very serious at the start, but he's softened over the time. And it's really cool seeing him have a laugh with students now. So yeah, it would be Peter. I love Peter. I absolutely would recommend it, and I have to multiple people. I think that it is such an easy, easy transition into work life. It's easy to follow. It's really great if you're a working mum and you just love the health and wellness industry and you want to grow your knowledge. I would highly recommend it to anyone. I actually think all the lectures, I actually really love, yeah, all that consistent learning. But I have met some really cool friends that I'm so excited to meet at graduation. You end up building a little community online. So I'm so, so excited. But yeah, it's more the learning. I think I'll miss the lectures.